Hey everyone, Amanda Hunt back with another tech appetizer. Today we're going to talk about Mote, and Mote is one of my favorite tech tools that's been around for a little while, and I feel like it doesn't get enough attention. So I wanted to definitely highlight it today for how you can use it in your classroom with students or in the library as well. So Mote is actually a Chrome extension, so you will want to add it to your Chrome browser. And it's very simple to install. It's free. I will say that there is a basic account that you can get that allows you 20 recordings per month of 30 seconds or less. But then you can also use an audio recording on any of the other sites that you will use that allows Mote recordings, because Mote ultimately is voice memos and it integrates so well with G Suite. So literally any activity that you have students do, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Sites, Google Slides, and then even Gmail, it works really well with. You can create voice memos for them, and then they can also send that feedback back auditorily. So for our students that may not understand written feedback as well. Maybe they aren't quite sure how to take some of your written comments. This is great for them to actually hear your voice and know exactly what you want. It works great if you are teaching a foreign language class so that you can have students verbally give you that feedback, maybe without being embarrassed in front of the whole class, something like that. But one of my favorite ways to use Mote is with my EB and my emerging bilingual students, or ESL, because it allows them to practice their speaking and their listening skills, which they are tested on in Texas. We call it the TELPAS test, and it's happening right now. And our students are having to speak and write and listen in English if that's not their first language. So Mote really allows them the opportunity to do that. Another great thing that Mote does is it will translate whatever your voice memo is into multiple languages. It has a transcript also, so if you would like the written feedback sent as well. So it's just one of my favorite tools that I think you can use in the library, multitude of ways when you're doing assignments with students, and then also with our EB, ELL, ESL students as well in the classroom. It offers another opportunity to meet their needs and their language objectives. So hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions.